What's up YouTube? It's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so today I am going to be making over my bathroom or organizing my bathroom. I'm pretty much just going to be revamping my bathroom because my bathroom is a hot mess. If you guys haven't already checked out my home decor / organization haul, make sure you guys go and check out that video. I'll have it linked up in the card section for you guys and also listed down below. But I picked up a whole bunch of items and organizational products to help me revamp my bathroom because my bathroom is just a hot mess and I just want it to look a little bit more nicer. And I want it to be a little bit more functional because right now it is not functional and it's kind of cluttered and it just has way too much stuff going on in there. So I'm going to be redoing my bathroom today. So I thought I would bring you guys for the journey or let y'all watch me clean my bathroom. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys a quick before tour of my bathroom and then I'm going to start taking everything out so I can redecorate it. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so I wanted to come and give you a little brief overview or tour of what my bathroom is looking like right now. So this is just a really quick overview of the bathroom. It's just, you guys, there's just too much going on in here and it's very unorganized. Like as you can see up here on the counter, there's just so much stuff on it. There's just way too much going on up there, especially for such a small like counter space. We have tissue just in the container or in the packaging just because I don't have anywhere to kind of store it. I have some new products here on the floor, dirty clothes, there's clothes behind it on the floor. Like our washcloths and stuff kind of just hang above at the top of the shower curtain rod, which I don't like. I had a piece of artwork here that has fallen off and so I need to replace it. So yeah, we just have like towels and stuff over there. I do want to get new carpets for the bathroom as well, but I don't know when I'm going to be doing that. And you guys, underneath the sink is even worse. Like under here is just a hot mess, you guys. Like clothes, products, bleach, skin, like just hot tools. Like under here is just a hot mess, you guys, and definitely needs to be cleaned up. So we're going to be working on all of that stuff right now. Okay, so like I mentioned before, I'm going to start off by just taking everything out of the bathroom just so I have a clean, empty bathroom to start off with because I did buy some new furniture pieces and storage solutions or storage options to put in here. So I just want to start by taking everything out and then we're going to just reorganize everything and all that stuff. So yeah. Okay, so everything has come out of the bathroom. I took up all the clothes, all the stuff that were up here. I emptied out underneath the sink. Under here is kind of dirty too, so I need to clean that out. And so what I'm gonna do now is just take the carpets out and I'm gonna sweep the floor, Swiffer the floor and all that stuff. I'm gonna clean up here, clean the mirror. I'm gonna do a nice deep clean of the bathroom, and then we're gonna start to bring everything back inside. Everything that I took out, I pretty much just put in the living room. So all the clothes and different products and stuff that were underneath the sink and all that stuff is out here. So now we're going to get started with inside the bathroom. All right, you guys, so I am pretty much done cleaning the bathroom, and here is nice and clean. So at this point in time, all I need to do is bring these things back in, but of course I need to organize everything and make sure everything is in its right place. So I need to go through all of my product and see what actually needs to come back into the bathroom, what needs to be thrown out, what I'm not really using anymore, so I might as well get rid of it. All that kind of stuff I got to deal with, and we're probably going to deal with that stuff outside of the bathroom, just because I don't want to bring that stuff back in here to make in here a mess. So I'm going to sort out all of the products and stuff out in the living room where I brought everything, and then we're going to try to figure out a new system in here when it comes to storing and organizing products. All right, you guys, so I have finally finished cleaning and organizing the bathroom. It doesn't look too much different than how it was before, but it's definitely a lot more organized and a little less cluttered. So starting off right here, I have this black hand towel that I got from Dollar Tree, and it just says bath on it, and this is just a little decorative towel that I put on the towel rack here. And then over here we have a hamper for dirty clothes. And then there's a little nightlight that was always here, but I did get this cute little word sign thing from Dollar Tree. So I put have a nice poop on it, because why else are you going in the bathroom? And then here, this is my little DIY succulent arrangement that I made. So I did put the little glass marbles or glass stones in there. And then I just put these 3 little arrangements together. And then I also put some hand soap in this hand soap dispenser that I also got from Dollar Tree, and it says lather, rinse, repeat. And going over, I used one of the smaller wire baskets to just store all of our toothbrush and toothpaste and all that kind of stuff. So I like it in here, and I love the fact that the black just helps play on with the black theme that's going on in here. And then I used the larger wire basket. I think it's really a trash can, but I used this to just kind of pile up the tissue paper. I know the pile isn't that cute, but you know, it works. And in the back there, I have a little Glade air freshener. And then moving up on the wall right here, I did put the black mirror that I got from Dollar Tree as well. So this is what the wall art looks like. We have a gold framed mirror. Welcome to our beautiful chaos sign, and this. So these 3 are also all from Dollar Tree. And then looking at the shower, before we had our washcloths kind of hanging at the top, but I did add some clear hooks to the back so we can just hang them up there. So that just keeps it out of sight and out of mind, and in the shower where I feel like it should be. And then over here, you know, we have the garbage bin and the toilet brush and the plunger in the back, so nothing special. I do want to eventually get some new carpets for in here, because these carpets were in here from before and they're kind of old. So I do want to get some really nice black carpets or mats for the bathroom, but we'll do that after. I do have a black kitchen cloth in here that we're using in the bathroom, and this will just help keep the, you know, the countertop nice and clean and dry. And then under here, I have organized. It looks so much better under here. Still a lot of product and stuff, but it's definitely a little bit more organized. So I have these stacked bins on the side, which fit perfectly in between the pipe, which I'm happy about. So on the top, I just have hot hair tools, hair dryers, hair straighteners and stuff like that. And then in the one underneath, I have the accessories for them, so the different attachments for the hair dryers and etc. At the bottom one, I have like my tampons and feminine products and stuff under there. This basket has new body care items, so I have new skincare items, new shower gels, a hand soap, stuff like that. Over here is hair care items, shampoos, conditioners, hair mousse, all that kind of stuff. That jug over there actually has some foam letters that my daughter likes to play with in the shower. And I have some Epsom salts over there. Up here we have some more skincare products. Under there we have hair combs, anything hair tools, so combs, brushes, all that kind of stuff. And then I currently don't have anything in the bottom one, so I do have an empty one, which is great. And then I do have this little basket thing that just hangs over the door, and I just have a hair sponge in there. And that is it for the bathroom. I had this in here from before and I did not go through it. It just has a bunch of product. This is really mine. Like, this just has all of my specific products in there. So I haven't really gone through that as yet, but I definitely will. But since it's already kind of organized and out of sight, out of mind, I've kind of left it. So yeah, you you guys, that is it for my bathroom organization slash makeover video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel because the next room we are tackling is my kitchen. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for the kitchen makeover, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.